What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. It's pretty much a sunny day, but what do I make a video about? Out of the Duke 390, the Scooty Streak, my car and my brand new Ntorq, I wanna ride the RX 100. This one is a real legendary beauty. Look, obviously it's a legendary bike and it's super amazing, but it could be a pain to start it sometimes. It's been about a month and a half that I started it, so I need all God's help. We got it started in first try, baby. Alright, well that sounds gonna be attracting a bunch of people, but we'll scoot. Damn, that two-stroke sounds beautiful, man, just beautiful. That's your fault. There's no ABS on this and I'm not used to riding a machine without ABS after the Dukes and the big boys. But anyways, this is a nice bliss. I'm gonna go to the petrol pump next because you know the RX drinks a lot. So I'm gonna give it some chug and then I also noticed that since I kept it parked for a long time, the front wheel is short on some air. So I'm gonna give it a nice I'm gonna give it a nice what? I can't say blow, so I'm gonna give it some nice air. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಜ್ಪ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಪಡ್ಲೆ ಹಾಂ. Alright, so as you just saw, got some fuel in, 100 rupees petrol and 660 ml of oil, and then I got my airs filled. Now let's go to the highway. Wow. Something about these two strokes are mind-blowing. These are legends actually for a reason, man.
That's all you got. Take it right now before you get lost, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Write your own story, you control the plot, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Could drop dead.
Yo, so now that we are on the highway, I want you guys to comment in my comment section as to how much you know what's the difference between a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke. I'll obviously tell you how much I know in the later part of this video, but pause the video, comment down below and don't cheat. Okay. It's seriously a big change from a lot of tech like Duke to an RX 100 with absolutely zero tech, but this is enjoyable too. Anything, just 2 wheels with a motor and a throttle, I'm down to take it to anywhere. It's been so long that I rev matched, and rev matching is a beautiful art. Rev match perfectly again. One other time. Make way for RX. Yes, there is a horn. Well, I just realized that this RX is 4-speed. It's got 4 gears, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now I think I'll take left over here. That's called Blueberry Hills. I'm pretty sure everybody watching from Mangalore, you guys definitely know this place, and it's pretty quiet and calm, so I thought I can take a few selfie shots. So here it's coming your way in 3, 2, 1.
No fear, I'm standing right here, eyes peer with my mind clear. Never look rear, only up, never down. Off the ground till I'm found. Hear the sound, listen to me now. As the beat pounds, every ounce of my effort pouring out. So you never have a doubt. Do you like me now? Am I good enough now? Should I get more loud till you hear the fucking sound? Oh no, I'm losing my shit again, having to fit again. Man, I'm forgetting when I used to have some friends. I used to play pretend. We all grow up and then hating my phone and trends. I'm about to blow my head.
Hope you guys like that montage. Make sure you guys leave comments in the comment section and let me know what I could do better. And also I want to know if you guys follow me on my Instagram, Aki Beats. There are a lot of things that YouTube restricts and it doesn't let us put on the YouTube platform. I put those clips on my Instagram. Hop over there and check it out. And obviously anybody watching this from Mangalore, they would know that after covering Blueberry Hills, any biker or rider would definitely go to helipad, or also known as Mary Hill. This bike is so much more louder than my Duke that it makes me anxious to get it out in residential area. सब आंटी और अंकल लोग जो सोते हैं, it's 5:30, कोई सोता नहीं होगा, पर whoever is sleeping वो तो शराब डालेंगे मेरे बच्चे के ऊपर. चलो.
OCD. The people close to me already know that's me. That's how it's supposed to be, cause nobody's perfect. You need something to work towards, that's worth it. You need something that's worth more, you deserve it. Find a thing that you love, then preserve it. If you're heading down the wrong path.
Well, I had missed my turn. I just got back. कोई दिक्कत ना है, let's go. You saw those heads turning. I'm not really sure if it's to kill me or they like the bike a lot, but you guys definitely saw it. RX, it's a legend. Everybody likes it. That's just facts.
That's all you got. Take it right now before you get lost, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Write your own story, you control the plot, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Could drop dead now of in blood clot, yeah. One shot.
And I definitely noticed one thing. Ever since this coronavirus and there is a lot of staying at home, people come out to walk. That is one thing they're not supposed to do, not come out of the house. और बड़ी शौक इन लोगों को अब अपनी हेल्थ की. क्यों भाई? इससे पहले कहाँ पे था आपकी हेल्थ कॉन्शियस? So that exactly is the helipad where kids are playing cricket with their fathers. I think I'll stop right here. Let's see what kind of view it gives me. Gand, 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 har jagah gand.
That's how it's supposed to be, cause nobody's perfect. You need something to work towards, that's worth it. You need something that's worth more, you deserve it. Find a thing that you...
Two things the Duke doesn't have.
One shot, that's all you got. Take it right now before you get lost, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Write your own story, you control the plot, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Could drop dead now in blood clot, yeah. One shot, give it all you got and never back down. No, I'm never gonna stop, yeah. I know that I'm a little OCD. The people close to me already know that's me. That's how it's supposed to be, cause nobody's perfect. You need something to work towards, that's worth it. You need something that's worth more, you deserve it. Find a thing that you love, then preserve it. If you're heading down the wrong path, then reverse it.
So the only thing chirping weren't the birds. Of course, these auntie was chup 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 chirping, and these aunties weren't only disturbing the birds but also the lovebirds. साला quarantine की time में झूठ वूठ बोल के आते होंगे यहाँ पे और no peace of mind. Earlier, this place used to be very peaceful, calm. Not a lot of people used to come, and people used to also learn how to drive. But now I saw a board restricting that. So yep, सब कुछ Mangalore में बदल गया है, but it's still better than any other city. For those of you guys who don't know what rev matching is, it's basically matching the RPM to the gear lower. So when you go from a higher gear to a lower gear, usually you get this jerk, right? If you accelerate and then put the gear down, that matches the rev, and that only comes through practice. I don't know how to correctly explain it also. If you guys want to know more, comment in the comment section. I'll try to figure out a way to tell you guys how to do it. So see, now I'll show you how to rev match. Instead of, see, for this gear lowering it was fine, but now to go lower than this, yeah. I stopped for you guys to listen to the beautiful sound of the RX. worry a lot about the smoke that you just saw, because that is the oil and petrol mixture. Definitely it's not good. I don't promote it. I don't even take this bike out much. It is not even my bike. The owner also doesn't take it out much.
That's all you got, write your own story, you control the plot, yeah. One shot, that's all you got, could drop dead now, a f***ing blood clot, yeah. One shot.
Coming to the sound of the bike, of course it is beautiful. It is because of the two-stroke engine. And now, what is a two-stroke engine and what is a four-stroke engine? So the working of a two-stroke is considered super cool, because all 5 functions that are supposed to happen completes in just 2 strokes of the piston head. But now in the 4-stroke engine, for all 5 functions to happen, the piston has to go up and down 4 times. What a beautiful sound. Oh, oh. Alright, then that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. I've started to tell a lot about support your artist friends, because nepotism सिर्फ मूवी इंडस्ट्री में नहीं है यार. नेपोटिज्म यूट्यूब पे भी बहुत चलता है, जो आप लोगों को नहीं पता है. ठीक है, तो मेक श्योर यू गाइस सपोर्ट योर आर्टिस्ट फ्रेंड्स. आई विल सी यू गाइस इन अनदर वीडियो. पीस.